Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to put Bandlab music on YouTube or Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a quick and easy way to share your tracks with a wider audience. First, open your Bandlab project where your track is saved. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the cloud icon with the upward arrow. Now, select the Publish option. Then here, confirm by tapping the checkmark at the top and selecting Continue to publish your track. After your track is published, you'll see an option to view it. Tap on View, and this will take you to your published track page. From here, look for the Share option, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and tap on it. Now, you'll see the option to download your track. You can choose to download it as a video or as an audio file. Either option works, depending on how you want to post it. Once the export is complete, the file will be saved to your device. Next, open the social media platform where you want to upload your music, such as Instagram. Tap on the plus button and select Reel, or any option where you want to upload. Select the file you just downloaded and proceed with the posting steps like adding captions or edits if needed. Finally, tap on Share or Post, and your music will be live on that platform for others to see and listen to. And that's it. So that's basically how you can put Bandlab music on YouTube or Instagram. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.